Okay, this is the last video in our collection on how to transfer files and settings from XP to XP or XP to Windows 7 if you have limited hardware, such as you have no monitored keyboard for the second machine, you have only one USB drive, you have no USB drives, you have no idea what a computer network is or how to set one up. The other boring videos I did, which were a lot longer than this one, showed all the steps. This one we're going to use the Windows 7 Easy Transfer Wizard directly through a network, and we're going to do this because it's a lot faster and less difficult. Via remote means that you can have the transfer happen with the machines. You see both machines doing it. They remotely communicate. You don't have to touch the keyboard. Once you type in the numbers, the two wizards will find each other on a network, link, transfer your files. Some people, they'll go pick up a box somewhere, bring it home. They want to upgrade a kid's computer, but they only have one monitor, one keyboard, and they have no idea what to do at this step. What you do is you open up the transfer wizard on one computer, get it all set to donate the files, then don't turn off the computer, just reach in the back, unplug the monitor and the keyboard and the mouse, and that's all you unplug. Don't unplug the network cable, don't unplug the power cable. Hopefully you got two power cables. If not, you can pick up a power cable very cheaply off of eBay, Amazon, Lowe's Hardware, Goodwill. Goodwill's got it for a whopping $2 in the bin. If you need a second network cable, also Goodwill, you can find it right there. You can get them at Lowe's Hardware, Wally World, whatever. You're going to need at least two power cables to do this. So what you do is, when you're ready to transfer your files, you use the Windows 7 Easy Transfer. This transfer program will go through the network. Like I said, it allows you to do a remote transfer to where it does all the work for you. Basically explains it. Hardly anyone uses an Easy Transfer cable. I've only seen it used twice. I showed you earlier how to use an external hard drive or USB drive. Now we're going to do it by the network. Like I said, this is the remote feature. You say, this is my old computer. Okay, that seems very difficult. What do we do? Go to your old computer, type that number in. So your old computer, which is a Windows 7 machine, you come in here, type in Windows Easy. There you go. Just like that. So you pull him over so you can see the whole thing. As you see, it's the same exact program. You hit next. We'll do it by network. Say, this is my new computer. You already installed it. And the way you can install this, I showed it in an earlier video, but I will quickly run through it. Type in Easy, Windows Easy File Transfer in Google. Click, click, click. It downloads, installs, takes a whopping 3 minutes. When you follow the steps, basically it's what we've already done. Click the icons, pick your files. And then you need the Windows transfer key. There's your transfer key. Now, you don't have to be able to see both computers. That's why I told you write the number down. Remember, we pulled the cables out, we moved them to the machine. That machine is running with no one touching it. It's going to be controlled by remote control. You come over, type in your transfer code. And you can see that the machine is being run by remote control. So if you have two monitors and two keyboards, you could go back and forth and you see that happening. If you only have one monitor and you had to pull the monitor to keyboard cable and even the mouse, get everything all set up. Now the box is sitting downstairs in the basement. You don't have to do anything. That box is running by remote control. All you did to have to transfer the files. It'll pick the stuff. You say, yep, that's what I want. There you go. In a couple minutes, it's going to transfer 400 megabytes of files, kids' photos, all that. You'll be set up. You reboot the machine. You have a new user account, and you are done. That is all you have to do. Go back to the old machine, plug the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard back in it. Once the transfer is done, please let me point that out to you. When the transfer is done, go to the old machine, close it out, power down the machine like you normally do, hit the start button and shut down. And at that point, you can do whatever you want on the machine. If you do want to get rid of the machine, I'd recommend that you wipe the hard drive. Oh my God, that scares you. It's not hard to do. I'm going to show you how to wipe a hard drive in the very last video of this. Wiping the hard drive, all we're going to do is we're going to destroy the partition and override it with junk. So if you do give it to somebody, there's nothing in it that personal data getting out, in tax records, whatever. They're basically getting an empty machine. I often tell people, if you got a machine you want to get rid of, but they want to donate it to somebody and they don't know what to do, I tell them, go ahead and wipe it and then use the restore disk that came with the machine, and it's just like it came off the shelf with Windows XP, a few demo programs, and the person who gets happy. If you don't have that, you could even use an Ubuntu install disk. But in the meantime, that'll be our next video. I'm going to let this finish, and I'm going to do the last video of how to destroy your hard drive. That's always a fun video. Thank you for watching. I apologize for the stuffy nose, the cat attacks, the bee attacks that everyone has suffered through. Hopefully this video has helped somebody out.